For this video, I am going to show you how to use the filter distort features to basically have this letter form be kind of broken up and kind of changed in shape. Okay, so first thing, go up and click onto your move arrow. We're going to rasterize the text. Again, we need it to be in pixel form. Then filter, go down where it says distort. The top three right now for what we're doing, these are not the most effective, so I'd skip over these. But the first one I'd say to look at would be ripple. Ripple is going to kind of break up the word. Again, it's going to give you a little menu. You can decide if you want your ripples to be small. It's going to give you more of a tighter edge. So medium, there's large. Again, a lot more broken up. And again, you can also take the slider bar and pull it back and adjust how much is kind of there. If you like what you have, hit OK, and it saves it. I'm going to use my history bar, go back to where it says rasterize. So another one to look at. So again, this is filter, distort. So we're going down to shear. Shear is if you want the word to kind of have a little bit of an angle shift. So you can take these, grab up the top. You notice it kind of like twists it. Be careful, it can cause your word to kind of go out of the picture plane. So you may want to pull it back a little bit. But again, it gives your word a little bit of a slant. I'm not a big fan of this one, but some people like it. So that was shear. The next one is spherize. Okay, the way this one works, think of it as there's imaginary kind of like ball, and it's either going to push it out, which it has right now, or you can pull it back the other way, and it's going to be like the ball is squishing in on it. It's kind of like squeezing in. So that's spherize. Next one is twirl. Be careful with twirl because you can lose readability real fast with the letters. So you do have a little slider bar. This kind of pushes the angle of the twirl. And again, you can see how quickly you can kind of start not being able to recognize letters. But it is a fun one to kind of test and do little adjustments to see if you like it. That was twirl. And then the last one is wave. So first, I would avoid the amplitude because this can cause it to lose readability real fast. Also, you do have numbers of generations. So that's going to repeat the word upon itself. So again, if I really start pushing it, it's going to start making it so it's word upon a word upon a word, or you can't even recognize it. So it does make some interesting patterns, but again, for our purposes right now, not the most effective. And again, you can adjust like its length, its width, minimums and maxes. So if you want more of kind of a little bit of a wobble to the letter, you can. Another one to look at under type, you can go triangular if you want it to be more of a jagged kind of surface on the side, or you can do square. This one gives you more of kind of a broken up kind of look to it. So again, this one is wave. So that is the under filter, distort. So those are some other options to play with.